Hi. Let me see if this is working. I think this is working. I hope this is working. It is Megan, and I'm going to do a review for Primero Bachillerato BCSA. And I didn't want to start out with the workbook. I wanted to show you all a picture. This is from my home city in Missouri, St. Louis. It's called Forest Park, and it's a pretty place. So while making this video at 10:30 at night, because it's the only time my children are sleeping, I thought I'd think of a beautiful place. And now we're going to go to the workbook. Here we are. Okay, so go to page 11. We're going to do the review. I got to keep this under 15 minutes. So hopefully we're going to do page 11, exercise 1. We'll just start off with the noun suffix, which is a word formation, really. So it says noun suffixes. Complete the sentences using the words in brackets and a noun suffix. Type the answers, then check. Remember, turn off or pause the computer, do it, and then check your answers, okay? So it says number 1, many elderly people suffer from, and you have lonely, okay? I'll be honest. I just know this because how often, like, I never did word formation, but I read a lot, I speak English, so it is loneliness. Let's see if they'll give us the answer. Come on. I forgot. It takes a while. Loneliness. Watch the spelling, okay? They changed the Y to an I. Number 2, without the correct messages can be difficult to read. Punctuate. So without the correct punctuation, all right, you see that they took off the E and they added the ION, okay? Politicians decrease after an offensive statement he made. Politicians' popularity. Okay. Number 4, it was hard for her to hide her disappointment after she lost the race. Again, if you just read a lot in English, you know these words. But if you don't, think of it. Try to think of the mint, the itty, the sh, the nis. Okay. Money doesn't always buy. Oh, we should know this one. Happiness. They changed the Y to an I. I can see there has been an improvement in your marks. Poor communication leads to misunderstandings. Okay. It's hard to tell what his personality is like. And look at the expression. I knew that when I saw on her face, expression, she's not happy. That's exercise 1. Let's go to number 2. This is suffixes. It says complete the sentences by adding ed or ing to the correct verb. So this should be easier. It's just ed or ing. That isn't funny. I'm not, and you have to add the word, amused. It was a experience. We didn't know if we would come out alive. It was a, so remember, a you can't use embarrassed, okay, or amused. It was a terrifying experience. Everyone brought a gift except me. It was so, oh, that's embarrassing. The game is blank. You have to concentrate. The game is challenging. That's fantastic news. I'm so thrilled for you. And they must be so blank discouraged. Or I would say so disappointed, but disappointed isn't the same word. Okay, so they must be so discouraged. You can say discouraged. I think that's more British, though. We'd say disappointed. All right, moving right along. You also had exercise 3. This is the same thing. Read the statements and write the suitable adjective for each one by adding full or less to the words below. Type the answers, then check. He's got nowhere to live. Uh-oh. So he's home, and then without a home is homeless. It doesn't hurt. Okay? So we have pain, but it doesn't hurt. So that would be painless. I can't do anything to change the situation. Okay? When you can't do anything to change the situation, you're helpless. We had a great time. Wonderful. You didn't check everything. You were care. Now remember, you can be careful or careless, but it said you didn't. So you were careless. It can never get better. That would be it can never get better. Hopeless. It can never get better. I get it. He's disappointed. I thought they were saying like as a good thing. It can do a lot of things. Useful. And that wasn't very nice of you. Thought. Remember, you can be thoughtful or you can be thoughtless. All right. So both work. Useless, useful. Hopeless, hopeful. Wonderful, wonderless isn't a word. That one, no. But you see that a lot of times you can use both. And let's go number 4. Complete the sentences by adding the correct suffix to the word. So this is just like the other one, okay? Thanks for visiting me in the hospital. It was very thoughtful of you. It was so blank when I realized I sent the email to the wrong person. Embarrassing. They were blank when they didn't get accepted in the program. They were so here's discouraged, and they added the D. We enjoyed the comedy film. It was amusing. If you aren't blank, you might hurt yourself. If you aren't careful, okay, you might hurt yourself. And number 5, we're at 6 minutes. It says complete the sentences using the correct form of the word in bold. Do not change the original meaning of the sentence. Type the answers and check. Can you describe him? Can you give me a description of him? So it's the same word, just changing the word sentence, okay? Have there been any developments in the case? Have the police developed any new theories? This is a combination of everyone's ideas. Everyone's ideas have been combined. You don't realize how serious the issue is. You don't realize the seriousness. Okay, remember here, look for the nouns. A, this boy say a and the, you have a noun. Okay, this is as a verb. So you got to pay attention whether it's a verb or a noun. Okay, he doesn't understand the situation. He doesn't understand that the situation is so complex. He doesn't understand the complexity of the situation. All right, moving right along, let's go to page 12. That's this one. And I had 4 and 5. So this is grammar. And this is a good review of tenses. It says complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets, then type your answers and check. This is similar to the exam, except it won't be so much. So it says, again, pause this. This is a good one to review. And do it, and then come back. All right, let's do it. It says 200 people you have already. So which one do you need? You either need to use present perfect or past perfect. So 200 people have already commented on Mia's phone of the hurricane that she uploaded last night to Facebook. Okay? So it's a present action because people are still commenting. And you post some more photos soon because of all the, it says soon. That's a key word that told me it was in the future. She is going to post some more photos soon because of all the interest. Blank, now this is a question, so pay attention. And they have 2 blanks. Blank and you blank see the photo. So it says yet. Yet is a key word. Have you seen the photo yet? Yet gave it away. All right, number 2. Yesterday, the newspapers, they said yesterday, so you need to use reported. That 200 people attended last week's protest. Had attended, okay, because it said reported and it's the same sentence, had attended. The organizers believe that 30,000 will attend tomorrow's protest. So that, the sentence, you have to read until tomorrow's protest to get believe and will attend. Okay? While. Remember what tense we use with while. While I, and we can either say am chatting or was chatting, but we don't know. We need to look for the tense. While I'm just going to guess was chatting, but let's look. With a friend online, my sister suddenly came into my room. So we need to see the tense. Usually this would be all past if they don't give us the tense. I saw that she was upset, but she wasn't going to give me a chance to ask what. So I was chatting, came into the room, like I said, past. I saw that she was upset. She didn't give, because they have that not, chance to ask what had happened before. That before lets you know it's had happened. Okay? And last one, number 4. I blank wait for him since. Since is a key word this morning. So I would say I have been waiting for him since this morning, and he still, because they say this morning and he still hasn't arrived. Okay, so we still know it's this morning. I wonder if he, and is there more to this exercise? Will show up. I think that's it. All right, let's go. We're at 11 minutes. I got about one more exercise I can do in this video, and then I'll show you another picture of St. Louis. So number 5, this is like what you're going to have on the exam, okay? Retype the sentences using the words in brackets. Do not change the original meaning. Hannah has only been a vegetarian for a year. 2 years ago, so you have to think what she did 2 years ago. She ate meat. So Hannah wasn't a vegetarian 2 years ago, okay? Or you could have said, she ate meat, but Hannah wasn't. I stopped smoking last year. So with the 4, we use present perfect or present perfect continuous. I haven't smoked for a year. When did you begin to feel this way? How long? With how long, we use have or has. How long have you felt this way? How long have you been feeling? Okay, I would accept it also. How long have you felt this way? Both work. We chatted during the drive home. While we were driving, you could say we were chatting. Or while we were chatting, you could do it both ways. We were chatting or we were driving. Okay, you can switch them. The concert started at 7 o'clock. We arrived an hour late. So this is after. You have to use the same sentence. We arrived an hour after the concert had started. Okay, so arrived and had started. He usually doesn't go on Facebook. He rarely goes on Facebook. Last time we spoke was Sunday. We haven't spoken since last Sunday. And the last one, let me move this a little bit down. I met my cousins for the first time last year. I hadn't met my cousins until last year. Okay? All right, I'm going to stop it there, and I'll do one more video with these exercises. Okay? Hopefully this uploads. See you soon on YouTube.